At Dugan's Travels, we take our descriptor as a family of agents very seriously. It's more than just a tagline. This is our guiding principle as we work in service to our hosted agents. We know that starting out or starting over can be tough and seek to be your foundation to a thriving, successful travel business. New agents, you can trust the Dugan's Travels host agency family to provide the support and foundation you need to build and grow strong. We have over 20 years experience developing new agents into trusted travel professionals. From the moment one begins with our exclusive onboarding program to our Agent Mentorship Series, ongoing interactive web content, professional accounting solutions, and agency marketing resources, new agents are given the tools to build and grow their travel business. Experienced agents have a home at Dugan's as well. At almost 400 strong, our affiliated travel advisors represent a variety of niche markets. Through our Dugan's University and 5-star agent recognition programs, we provide additional opportunities and incentives to develop and expand your craft, so come and grow with us. Small, curated, customized for you, no two agents are alike, nor do they define success the same way. At Dugan's Travels, we work directly with you to help discover your brand's voice, devise methods that play to your personal strengths, and help you to craft a travel business that is authentic, professional, and prosperous. More than a host, a family of agents. Whether you're a new or experienced agent, working your business part-time or full-time, launching your travel empire, or securing extra income after retirement, the Dugan's Travel family is ready to welcome you into our supportive advisor community. Join the Dugan's Travel family of agents by visiting www.travelathome.com to schedule your welcome call today. For more information, visit www.findahosttravelagency.com. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and post a comment. Also, if you would like to know when we post more video tutorials, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our 2022 Top Host Agency video.